I have a healing touch. Okay.
Oh God.
And nose and ear. Pumping. Little by little. Slowly, slowly. Little by little. Small, small inside. The nerves. Uric. Immune.
This is like the perfect kind of massage, I'm telling you.
Change ear. Change air in your ear. Huh? Somebody telling that my hand is like a healing touch. I have a healing touch.
Healing power.
Yeah. Healing power.
Yeah.
Healing power. Healing power. Pumping. You know Luke's vlogger?
Luke Demond.
Yeah. My friend. Oh,
Yeah.
my friend. Massage
Amazing.
must be in the book. Okay.
Oh God. Oh my God. Thank
Okay.
you. So, that was so good. Oh brother, that was amazing. Best one I've ever had. We've only gone and found the legend himself right there. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna have to wait for him.
Nice to meet you.
bro.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, I'll wait for you to
I'll
finish.
tell
No
you.
problem. I'll be waiting, no problem. Thank you. So yeah, we're gonna get another one. I've just had 2 already, so I'm absolutely starting to feel it a little bit. I don't know if you can see the side of my veins and stuff popping out, but they certainly were before. But yeah, this guy is famous. He's been in a lot of videos on this Dolomites Beach. This is who I was trying to find the other day and I couldn't find him. So now we found him, it's got to be done. And then we'll head back over towards the hotel and chill out for the rest of the evening.
Oh, you like,
Yeah, so so head, neck,
I know,
face.
I know.
I just seen your head, then it looks good.
Yeah, no problem.
Spot on.
Are you from Scotland? From what?
England.
England. Oh,
Yeah.
England.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Kamusta ka?
Yeah, kamusta ka? Your name?
Liam.
Liam.
Yeah, yours. And I'm Bangalan
Roddy
Mo.
Nonoy.
Ah, nice.
Roddy Nonoy.
Roddy Nonoy, there you go. Ready for this one.
Yeah. Start head and elbow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And nose.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah. And ear.
Yeah, perfect.
That's the point. Yeah.
Perfect.
That's the point. All I can touch is for wind. Understand? Wind.
Yeah, good, thank you.
Cold. So you relax, huh? You see, pumping. So you relax, huh? Even gum. Okay, thank you. Sige na, bye. Puro panuhot. Tuwa siya, tanggal eh. Tang. Yeah, little by little. Yeah, slowly. Little by little. Even gums, yeah. So that not lock.
Basa na, baka matuluan.
Yung
Matuluan sa, ano mo,
tuluan lang.
lagis.
Wala naman ako
Wala lang langis.
Wala. Ang walang ganon langis.
Ha?
Pagka hindi ako ganon naglalangis. Pagka foreigner, hindi ganon. The Chinese
this is
massage.
mega.
Shiatsu. Yeah. That's the style.
It's very good. Very good.
Touching your head. Small inside.
Yeah.
Can touch the nerves. uric, immune, all.
This is like the
this.
perfect kind
Yeah.
of massage, I'm telling you.
Can you
Honestly.
touch this? Even here. Change ear. Change air in your ear. Huh? Huh? Yeah, little by little. So that you feel. Huh?
Yeah,
You feel.
feels fantastic.
Even you have a flu, even you have a all inside and out of this massage.
Yeah.
Somebody telling that my hand is like a, healing touch.
Well, I can imagine, yeah, because it feels bloody
healing
fantastic.
touch. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know why? I'm from Jesus Christ.
Yeah, so to
Devoto,
heal,
Devoto.
to heal.
Yeah, understand Devoto?
Yeah, I understand what you mean.
Devoto. So that he said
Healing powers.
I have a healing touch.
Healing
You see,
powers.
Healing power.
Yeah.
Healing power. Healing power. Kasama nung nung vlogger namin, hindi yung vlogger natin. Yung vlogger na minamasahe namin doon. Oh, yung may negro. Mamaya yayain mo. Yayain mo pag ano. Negro. Yayain mo lang. Mamaya hintayin mo. Pumping. So that you feel,
Yeah.
better.
That might look like it's intense,
Yeah,
but it feels so good.
You speak Tagalog, huh?
Tiny bit.
You stay here longer, no?
No,
How
not
many
long.
days? How many days?
For 1 week.
Only 1 day.
Yeah, unfortunately. I'd love to stay
So
longer.
that you what's that? You see me and then you go here.
Yeah, I came looking for you a couple of days ago.
Yeah,
I
because-
came a few days ago, but I couldn't find you.
Yeah. Ako hinahanap talaga. Ako hinahanap. Kaya inaagaw nila ako hinahanap. Kaibigan ng ano to eh. Yung mga negro na mga ano. Kaya si Lux kilala rin niya. Mga vlogger yan eh. You know Lux vlogger?
Luke, Damon.
Yeah, my friend. Oh,
Yeah.
my friend. Ikaw tayo hinahanap. Oh, si Lux.
It's like bloody deja vu.
Yeah. A friend also.
Ayaw na papanya.
Mamaya diskarte mo na.
Ang magwapo na lang na.
Kamo yung pinupuntahan ni Lux, pupuntahan natin. Ganun lang, biro-ganin lang. Isang linggo pa lang siya rito. Ako talaga hinahanap, hindi ako makita. Kaya nakakala ng mga gago siya. Ako yung nakakita mo, sabi niya. Hinahanap kita.
Ako, natira dyan puro pangit.
Hindi, konting Tagalog lang. Isang linggo pa lang siya eh. Isang linggo pa lang. Hello, sir. Nice to meet you. Ano, nagpahaba dito? Hindi na ulo lang? Ulo lang? Nakakalimutan ko pangalan ng negro, ang pangalan ng negro. Eh, yung puti, ang pangalan ng negro. Ha? Ha? Si Dip? Dip. Yung negro, nakalimutan ang pangalan ng negro eh. Di ba Teddy? Parang Teddy eh. Parang Teddy nga yan. Dave Teddy eh. Masahe ma'am, talampakan 50 lang ma'am. Mga relax po kayo. massage, ma'am. Foot massage. Relaxing massage, ma'am. Relaxing massage.
Phenomenal.
Yeah, head to
Bloody
head.
phenomenal.
Yeah, massage for head. You want? Batchman! Batchman! Oo, matagal pa. Ano mo? Ang tabayanan mo lang to, oy. Abangan mo. Kasi kaya ako alam, may nag-chat-chat sa akin na tomboy. Kuya, dumating na yung mga kaibigan niya, hinahanap ka. Kaya alam ko, hindi ko alam kung sino. Alam ko may naghahanap sa akin. Hindi ko lagi nagkwento sa inyo. Ito mo pagdating, hinahanap ka. Sabi, hinahanap kita! Okay, 30 minutes here. Not
That's enough.
over, because over is no good.
This good.
Understand?
Yeah,
That
perfect.
is massage.
Amazing.
Must be in the book. Relax. Relax. Okay.
Oh God. Oh my God. Thank
Okay.
you. That was so good. Oh brother, that was amazing. Best one I've ever had. Well,
You know why I finish and a good massage for you? Because all blogger must be what's that? Germany,
yeah.
Indian, British, must be all. He knows that, oh, this person
Yeah,
can do
yeah,
you in the
that's it.
Philippines, can this, can she? Yeah, I know. Understand?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
How much, brother? How much?
That's 1K. I'm not price. He's the one to give.
All right, I'll give you 1,000.
Even you talk to the my friend.
All right, yeah.
Rolly, yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Thank
Nice to
you
meet
very
sir.
much. Yeah, cheers, brother. I'll give him 1,000 because it was worth it, to be honest with you. But everywhere else, considering the other one's always like 300, 200, 100. So what is 1,000? Probably about 14 quid, 13, 14 quid. But he is good at what he does, so I don't mind. And he works hard for it, and he's been doing it a long time. So fantastic. Hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll see you in the next one.